this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, out driving our 533100. There you can see we're coming up to speed, about 60 miles an hour. Good oil pressure, temp starting to come up. This is a pretty nice truck, pretty cool truck. Some nice. One thing that's interesting about this is they put a custom windshield in it, because these 53s had splits down the middle. So that's pretty cool. Nice build, nice drive. Got a Camaro subframe underneath it. So you got disc brakes. Everything here is suspension, nice and tight. Added power windows, so pretty tight cab. Now we got a little bit of wind today, and there ain't much wind noise. So this got air conditioning in it, vintage air, I believe, classic air, one of the two. No pull or anything. You can pretty much let go of the steering wheel, and it doesn't have a tug or anything. We'll come up to the corner here and hit the brakes, show you how the brakes work, and then go through the shift. Nice comfortable seat with a 95 or 90s Chevy pickup seat. They were pretty good seats. You know, it's something you can always do if you want to go a little more custom. And some of these pickups really have you know, fancy leather interiors. This one's just kind of your basic. Brakes work good, as you've seen. First to second shift is good and solid. Second to third, good and solid. Nice pickup. This motor's got a little zip to her, so really cool truck. Drives good, looks good. So any questions? 605-695-7391.